Hi, it's 10:30 on Sunday. Snow has stopped. I'm here in front of the Marriott waiting for the 157 that I just missed. Nice hour-long wait. We started work at 2 o'clock. I barely made it in at 1:30. Tons of accidents. The snow stopped about 6 o'clock. We got at least 2 inches. It's turning into ice. They say buses are running. I don't think 766 is, but I did see the 157, which I missed. I was waiting to see if I was going to have to get a cab to get home. Of 22 people on our crew, 12 of them called out sick. They either couldn't get here or they didn't want to come to work. So I got stuck. My pastor called, said we didn't have church today. That's good. I didn't practice. Poor thing. I-40 is closed from Albuquerque all the way to Texas and probably to Oklahoma because of the weather. I just saw a semi-trailer jackknife here, the off-ramp for the freeway, because he tried to U-turn. Bad. I'm not sure if we'll get more. They say we're in the snow hole. The winds are kicking in a little bit, so we may be spared. Let's take a look at the sandias. Yeah, bad. Bad. You can't even see anything. It's a winter wonderland. I don't have a snow stick, otherwise I would measure it for you, ladies and gentlemen. I've got a nice hour-long wait because buses are on delay. People, it looks like a ghost town here. I'm surprised we went to work at 1:30, 2 o'clock. Hopefully this will be done. We have to go back to work at 2 tomorrow morning. I'm debating where to go get some cash and go find a cab. In the event, maybe I'll have football will be on in a minute when I get home. Maybe they'll run a crawl on the screen for the weather conditions and preempt the halftime show. It beats watching the Dallas Cowboys. Yuck. I'll refrain from the jokes. I'm already doing Philadelphia jokes. And this street is not plowed. They say there's 16 snowplows and trucks. Obviously, this ain't central. Louisiana's barely plowed. Yeah, we don't get snow that much here. It's a desert, which is, as Vince Scully would say, blinking fertilizer. You should be prepared. This is not Philadelphia. They don't have signs saying snow emergency route. ABQ ride is not SEPTA. Bad move. Okay, kids. Another car just passed by with, I'm saying maybe about 3-4 inches of snow on it. Hopefully the bus will be here in a while. Hopefully I'll get home time to see some of football. Bye.